Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Barry Geoffrey. So today we're going to revise Maths Paper 1 2025 GC. We're going to revise from question number 1 to question number 6. So let's begin. In question number 1, simplify 2 open bracket y minus 3 close bracket negative 3 open bracket 2 minus y close bracket. So this question carries 2 marks. So let's start. We're going to write first down here. So we're going first to deal with the bracket. So we're going to multiply 2 multiplied by y, which is 2y. 2 multiplied by negative 3, which is negative 6. So negative 3 multiplied by 3, which is negative 6. Negative 3 multiplied by negative y, which is positive 3y. So we're going to collect the right term together. We cannot add like this. So we're going to collect the right term together. So 2y plus 3y minus 6 minus 6. So 2y plus 3y, which is 5y. So negative 6, negative 6. So we're going to add negative to negative, which is positive. So we're going to add, which is negative 12. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed to question number 2. Calculate, evaluate, open bracket, a square root, and then there is a 4. Inside the square root, there is 16 over 81 close bracket, power 3. So this question carries 2 marks. So let's start. So we're going to write it down here. There is 4 here, so 16 over 81 close bracket 3. So here it means that 3 it affects the both number inside the square root. So here we are going to find the number when you multiply 4 times to give you 16, and when you multiply 4 times to give you 81. So the number which you can multiply 4 times to give you 16, which is 2. So and then the number you can multiply 4 times to give 81, which is 3. So here we are going to put 3 on top of power 2 because it affects both here inside. So even here 3, we are going to put a 3 on top of 3. So we are going to multiply 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8 over 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 27. So this is a final answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed. Question number 3. Read. Factorize completely 2ab minus 3b plus 2a minus 15. So this question carries 2 marks. So let's write this question down here. 2ab minus 3b plus 10a minus 15. So we're going to use grouping method. So we're going to group this question. So we're going to do like this here. Open, close, open, close. So we're going to find the number or letter which is common between here and here, between here and here. So we're going to start with the first bracket. So which letter is common here or number? So it is B. B it is common and the number it is 1. So we're not going to include 1. It is invisible. So B, open bracket. So B cancels B. We're going to remain with 2A. So minus it. B cancels B. We're going to remain with it. Only 3. So here the common number or letter. So the common here we are going to use 5. 5 is common here. It goes in 10 and 15. So 5 open bracket. 5 into 10, which is 2a, minus 5 into 15, which is 3. So we're going to pick this either this bracket or this bracket. So we're going to write like this: 2a minus 3 close. So we're going to take the number that we use to factorize to put them to its bracket. So we're going to say 5 or b plus 5. So this is the final answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comments box. So we proceed to question number 4. So question number 4 reads: solve the equation half x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. So this question carries 2 marks. So let's write it down here. Minus 8 is equal to 0. So each equation is equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, it is not an equation. So let's also here and right term, so we cannot add. So we're going to correct the right term together. So 8 will cross the equal sign. So 1 over 2 x squared is equal to 0 plus 8. So 1 over 2 x squared is equal to 0 plus 8, which is 8. So we're going to divide by 1 over 2 to remain only with x squared. So over 1 over 2. So x squared is equal to, so here 8 divided by half. So we're going just direct multiply 8 multiplied by 2, which is 16. We want to remain only with x, so we're going to introduce a square root to both sides. So x is equal to, so a square root it has either positive or negative. So positive or negative 4. So therefore x is equal to 4 or x is equal to negative 4. So this is a final answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. Let's proceed to question number 5. So question number 5 read, use the set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram below. So this question carries 2 marks. So this is a Venn diagram. You have A, element here will be A, B, C. So they want us to describe this Venn diagram. So here, the shaded region, it is A. So we are going to start with it. A intersection, open bracket, B union, C close bracket, complement. So this is the answer. We have described the shaded region. Or we can answer like this: B open bracket, B union, C close bracket, complement, intersection, A. So both their answers are correct. So if you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. Question number 6. A company with shared, so sorry, I will skip some.